good day. So, by the way, before we start, can you hear me? Good. Can you see me? Very well. Now, I will be your teacher for today, and my name is Teacher. Tony loves to sing, dance, and cook. How about you? What is your name? Wow, you have a pretty name, Lilo. Okay, so how old are you, Lilo? 7 years old. Okay, so nice to meet you, Lilo. So, Lilo, welcome here in our class. How are you feeling today? Are you happy or sad? You're happy. Teacher is also happy. So now, what do you like to do? Do you like dancing or singing? Oh, you like playing. Alright, how about sports? Do you play sports? Okay, you play sports? Football. Wow, that's a great sports now. Are you ready to start our class? Yes or no? Okay, it's a yes. So let's start with our class. So Lilo, look at our slide. Okay, your lesson is all about colors and shapes. Okay, but for now, let's focus more on colors. Yes? Okay, so Lilo, what is your favorite color? Okay, so your favorite color is purple. But can you please repeat after teacher? Let's say purple. Okay, one more time. Purple. Okay, good job. So I have here a purple umbrella. Isn't it cute? Yes, so this is an umbrella and the color of the umbrella is purple. Can you see it? Good job. So now, let's start with our discussion. So part 1, warm up. How many colors are there in the picture? And I want you to find all of them. Okay? Can you see the picture? Okay? Good. So now, find all of the colors. Oh, it's okay. You don't know how to count. It's okay. Do not worry. I will help you, okay? Alright. So repeat after teacher. Let's count the colors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yay! So we have, okay, 7 colors. Now, let's learn more about colors. So let's move on in our next slide. Okay, part 2, let's learn. So we have here 5 different kinds of colors. So do you know what is the first color? What color is this? Oh, you don't know. It's okay. Teacher will help you. Alright? So repeat after teacher again. Let's say yellow. One more time. Yellow. Okay. Again. Yellow. Alright. Give me high five. Okay, you did well. Now, let's say it's yellow. Okay, again, it's yellow. Alright, you did it well. Now, let's use the yellow in a sentence. Alright, so I have here a toy and this is my friend. Okay, his name is Spongy. Say hi to Spongy. Hi! Hello, Lilo! Hi! Okay, so now, what is the color of Spongy, Lilo? Yes, his color is yellow. So now let's use yellow in a sentence. Repeat after teacher. Yes? Good. So let's say, it's a yellow toy. Okay, one more time. It's a yellow toy. Alright, I will give you 2 candies for your rewards because you did a great job. So, 1, 2. Yay! This is for you. Alright, so now, guys, ganun po yung gagawin natin sa mga colors na ito. Repetition Yes, repetition. Gamitin nyo yung props. Gamitin nyo rin po yung scaffolding technique. Repetition and scaffolding technique. Okay? Praise them kung nakuha nila and give them rewards para mas ma-motivate pa yung estudyante. Okay po ba? So, ganun yung gagawin nyo sa blue, red, green, and purple. Okay? Alright. So, now guys, focus lang po kayo dito sa first set ng colors. Okay? Yellow, blue, red, green, and purple. Yan lang po yung i-discuss ninyo. Skip nyo to. Yes, skip nyo yan. Pagkatapos po skip yan, move kayo dito sa part 3. Let's play. So, here, anong entry natin dyan? Ganito po. Okay? Now, you said earlier you want to play. So, now, let's play. Are you excited? Okay, good job. So, now, can you see the picture? Good. So, we have there the 5 different colors that we learned earlier. Okay? So, I'm going to teach you how are you going to do that. So, look and match. Alright? Look and match. Alright? So, match these colors to their names below. Do you know how to match? Oh, you don't know? It's okay. Teacher will help you. Alright? So, I will do the first color and you will do the rest. Like example, what color is this again? Yes, it's the yellow color, right? So, teacher will match this yellow color to its name here below. Okay, much. Alright. So, now, you will do the rest. Okay, so example, minatch niya na blue, red, green, purple. Okay, tapos na siya mag-match. Then, bigyan nyo siya ng rewards and i-praise nyo rin po siya. Alright? So, perfect! And I will give you 3 stars. Ganon. Dapat ipakita nyo yung stars ninyo. Okay? So, pagtapos na kayo dyan sa Let's Play Part 3, okay, itanong nyo po si student, do you want more games? Do you want more games? Okay, very well. Now, let's play more. So, skip nyo yan. Move kayo dito. Okay? Ito po. So, anong entry naman natin dito? Dito, ang gagawin natin guys is ganito. Ganito yung sasabihin niya. Now, since you want to play more, let's play more. Alright? So, we have here again the 5 different colors. So, I want you to write their name here in the blanks. Do you know how to spell? Oh, you don't know how to spell. It's okay, teacher will help you. But, I want you to say the colors. Okay? And I will spell it for you. Alright? Okay, good job. So, what color is this again? What color is this? Yes, it's a... Good job, it's a color yellow. So, I will spell it for you. Color yellow. Yeah, yellow. Okay, very good. How about the next color? What color is this? It's a color? Yes, it's a color blue. So, I will spell it for you. B for blue. Okay, so ngayon guys, ganun din po yung gagawin nyo sa ibang colors. Let them say the colors and you are going to spell it for them. Pero kung kaya nila spell, then let them. Just guide them kung hindi nila kaya. Okay, pero kung kaya naman, then let them spell the colors. Alright? So, pagtapos na kayo dyan sa part 3, let's play. Okay, skip nyo to. Move kayo dito sa ating part 3, let's review. Alright? So, i-review nyo po itong baba lang. Itong sa taas, wag na yan. Yes? Ito lang kasi ito lang naman yung focus natin. Alright? So, kung pagtapos nyo na pong i-review, wag po natin kalimutan ang ating, Wag kalimutan ang constructive feedback. Okay? Huwag kalimutan ang constructive feedback. Yes? So, ano-ano yung mga constructive feedback natin? First, okay, praise. I-praise nyo yung estudyante kung ano yung magandang ginawa niya sa class. Yes? Second, yung ating areas for improvement or AFI. So, yung AFI natin, guys, is i-point out nyo po or sabihin nyo po sa kanila kung ano or kung saan sila nahihirapan. Okay? So, yung last one is yung ating suggestions or tips. Paano nila ma-improve yon? So, paano natin gagawin yan? Example. So, very good because you were able to answer all of the activities that we had today. But, I want you to improve on your pronunciation like this one. The purple. Yes? So, I want you to practice the purple. The word purple and the red. Alright? So, practice the purple and red. Okay? I want you to ask for your mommy or daddy's help to do that. Yes? Okay. So, how are you going to do it? I want you to ask for mommy and daddy and help you review the purple and red. Okay? And search some videos on the internet. Alright? Okay, so red and purple. Now, do you have any questions? None. So, now, it's time to finish our class. Thank you for today. Thank you for choosing me as your teacher. And I want to see you next time. Alright? Okay. So, goodbye for now. Goodbye, Lilo. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Lilo. Thank you. Okay, bye. Alright. So, yan po yung ating delivery, guys. Ganon yung gagawin ninyo, ha? Yung mga kailangan skip, wag nyo nang i-discuss. Yes, yung mga yellow, blue, red, green, and purple lang po. Yang orange, brown, pink, black, white, wag na yan. So, bilisan yung delivery para hindi kayo makulangan sa 10 minutes. Yes? Okay, so good luck sa performance ninyo. I know you can do it. And guys, do your best. Okay? Okay, fighting.